Do you need a degree in tech or computer science to actually break into data analytics? Is there an easy way to actually learn data analytics, even without any experience? Which learning path is the best for learning data analytics? These are the questions on your mind, and I will be answering all of them in this video. Learning data analytics for me has not really been a straightforward one, because at the start, I didn't really have a mentor or a guide. And then I ended up doing a lot of unnecessary things. I've tried self-learning. I've tried bootcamp. I've tried paid online classes. So I'm definitely in the best position to give you this advice. Do you need a degree in tech or computer science to actually break into data analytics? No, you don't. Anyone can actually start and learn data analytics. It doesn't matter your background or the course you studied in school. Anyone can be a data analyst. How can you start learning data analytics even without any experience, the easiest and fastest way? Well, I would advise you to start from the easiest to the more advanced. First, start learning data analytics using Microsoft Excel, right? So this is very beginner friendly, and then it gives you a foothold to better understand what data analytics is all about. So learn data collection from different sources, learn data cleaning using Power Query, learn data analysis using pivot table, and also learn data visualization using your pivot charts. And most importantly, learn data storytelling. And then you can also learn VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP. You can learn SUMIF, COUNTIF, index match, conditional formatting, learn basic functions and formulas. Learn how to do all of this using just your Microsoft Excel. And then please practice a lot. I cannot overemphasize this enough. Please practice enough. That was one mistake I made when I was also starting out. I was doing a lot of theories, right? I thought I needed to know so much before starting to practice, but that's a lie. That's a lie. You just end up being caught in a learning trap without ever knowing what to do. You learn better by practicing. Please lay your hand on any data set you can find and practice, right? So you can get data set from Kaggle, download any data sets you like, and then run the whole data analytics process from start to finish using just Microsoft Excel. The truth is, if you know how to run like your whole data analytics process from start to finish, you can basically use any tool. Like, you already know the basics, so you just need to know your way around any tool of your choice and you're good to go. And when you get comfortable with Microsoft Excel, you can add SQL to the mix, right? SQL is how you talk to database, and database are where companies store everything. There's a platform called SQL Boot. It's free, so you can walk through their exercises. What matters is that you can write queries that pull the exact data that you need, right? Then comes the data visualization part. People love using Tableau or Power BI, but I would advise you to go for Power BI. I don't know. I personally just like using Power BI. These are tools that make your data look beautiful and easy to understand. You know, all of those dashboards that you see. So most of them are done using either Tableau, Power BI, right? Or even your Microsoft Excel, actually. They make your data look presentable and beautiful and easy to understand. Start by running your whole data analytics process from start to finish on Power BI. And if you are very comfortable with using your Microsoft Excel, you are going to find Power BI very easy to use. Now, everybody talks about learning Python or R, and yeah, they're really, really powerful programming tools, but don't rush into them if you haven't mastered the basic. Master your Microsoft Excel, your SQL, your Power BI first. Once these feel very natural to you, Python becomes very easy to pick up. There's a library called Pandas that basically turns Python into a supercharged spreadsheet for you, so you can start from there. Now, where can you start learning? Should you self-train? Should you take an online class? Should you go for a bootcamp? Honestly, I can't really tell you, which one to use, because your financial capacity, your discipline, and your learning style should be able to inform this choice, right? So whatever learning path you take, make sure that you understand the basics of data analytics and the process, and then you are good to go. And please don't forget to always document your process. It will open doors of opportunities for you.